Malaysia is adopting a holistic approach to boost Chinese tourist arrivals, moving beyond traditional promotional methods to create an ecosystem that enhances visitors' experience. The approach includes deploying Chinese proficient staff at key entry points, collaborating with airlines to offer direct flights from secondary and tertiary Chinese cities, partnering with educational institutions, and utilizing Chinese social media influencers. Tourism Malaysia Director General Manoharan Priyasamy told Xinhua in a recent exclusive interview.
And everybody wanted to share of the pie from the outbound market from China. And we also, as a part of the Southeast Asia regions, we doesn't want to do leftover. So we have discussed, negotiated with those authorities, and finally when we get the so-called liberalization of a visa, we have seen tremendous growth, one from the number of tourist arrival, and secondly about the airlines which is operating. We work very closely with those airlines and as well Chinese-based operators in China. What we've done, we have embarked in a lot of joint promotions campaign to facilitate them once they're landing in Kuala Lumpur. We have set it up our help desk. We try to engage some other assistants who can converse in Mandarin and few other languages to become to facilitate the Chinese tourist assistance there. We want to give them a very pleasant, very seamless kind of experience. This year we are celebrating 50 years of a diplomatic relationship between China and Malaysia. It is always both-way traffic. So a lot of Malaysians also wanted to go and visit China to get to know on the Chinese culture, Chinese way of life and all those things, which is appeal to the Malaysian tourists. Vice versa. A lot of Chinese, as I mentioned earlier, a lot of them come to